Scared you'll never feel satisfied without overeating? It's a common fear that many of us face, especially in a world where food is so readily available and often used as a source of comfort. The fear of not feeling full can lead to a cycle of overeating, which can be difficult to break. But don't worry, there are ways to feel satisfied without overindulging. You're not alone. Many people struggle with the same issue, and it's important to know that you're not the only one facing this challenge. Understanding that others share your concerns can be comforting, and can also motivate you to find solutions that work for you. Here are 5 game-changing tricks to help you conquer cravings. These strategies are designed to help you feel full and satisfied without the need to overeat. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can take control of your eating habits and enjoy your meals without guilt or discomfort. Hack number 1, start with water. Seriously, drink a glass before you eat. Water is essential for our bodies, and sometimes when we think we're hungry, we're actually just thirsty. Drinking a glass of water before a meal can help you determine if you're truly hungry or just in need of hydration. It also helps to fill your stomach, making you feel fuller and less likely to overeat. Half the time you're hungry, your body just wants a sip. Number 2, go slow-mo. Eating slowly is a powerful tool in managing your hunger. When you eat quickly, your brain doesn't have enough time to register that you're full, leading to overeating. By slowing down, you give your body the chance to signal when it's had enough, helping you to stop eating before you feel stuffed. Eat slower. You'll actually notice when you're full. Taking the time to savor each bite not only enhances your dining experience, but also allows you to enjoy the flavors and textures of your food. This mindful approach to eating can transform your relationship with food, making meals more satisfying and less about quantity. Raise your fork and I promise your stomach always loses. 3. Pack in protein. Protein is a crucial component of a balanced diet and plays a significant role in keeping you full. Foods rich in protein take longer to digest, which means they stay in your stomach longer, keeping hunger at bay. Eggs, chicken, beans. Protein keeps you fuller, longer. Incorporating protein into every meal can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Whether it's a hearty breakfast with eggs or a lunch packed with lean chicken, protein is your ally in the fight against overeating. It's like a hunger bouncer for your stomach. Protein acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring that you feel satisfied and energized throughout the day. By prioritizing protein, you can maintain a healthy weight and avoid the pitfalls of constant snacking. 4th hack, add fiber power. Fiber is another essential nutrient that can help you feel full without adding extra calories. Foods high in fiber such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are not only nutritious but also filling. Think veggies, whole grains, apples. These foods are packed with fiber, which slows down digestion and helps you feel full for longer periods. By incorporating more fiber into your diet, you can reduce the temptation to overeat and enjoy a more balanced approach to eating. They fill you up without weighing you down. Fiber-rich foods are often lower in calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. They provide the bulk needed to satisfy your hunger without the added calories that can lead to weight gain. And finally, hack 5, out of sight, out of mind. The environment plays a significant role in our eating habits. By keeping snacks out of sight, you're less likely to reach for them mindlessly. This simple change can make a big difference in your overall calorie intake. Keep snacks in cabinets, not on counters. When snacks are easily accessible, it's tempting to grab them without thinking. By storing them out of sight, you create a barrier that requires more effort to overcome, helping you to make more conscious choices about what you eat. If you can't see it, you won't eat it. This strategy is about creating an environment that supports your health goals. By removing visual cues that trigger snacking, you can focus on eating when you're truly hungry, rather than out of habit or boredom. Don't forget, weight loss isn't about starving, it's about smart habits. Developing healthy eating habits is key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making choices that nourish your body and support your well-being. Try these 5 fullness hacks and watch your cravings shrink. Stay full, stay strong. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your eating habits and enjoy a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress, and making small changes that lead to big results over time.